Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make travel blog website on Squarespace. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and access Squarespace. Now in here, you need to first have an account. So I'm assuming you already have one here, but how do we get started? So let's go to our top right here. Let's go to our account dashboard. And in here, since we want to create a travel blog here, we want to go and create a new website. So let's go and click on create website at the top right here. And from here, it should redirect us to the website creation process. Now, the thing with Squarespace here is depending on what you enter in your, in this case, search bar here, the options that you'll be seeing later on would actually affect that. Now, since we want to make a travel blog, let's go ahead and just type in travel blog. So it's really helpful if you immediately specify here what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and specify this one. Click on next. Now from here, you can go and specify what are your aims. So maybe I want to build a community here. And if you want to also sell memberships or sell products, you can go ahead and do that. But for now, we are good. Let's go and click on next. And from here, you could either build with AI or browse templates. Let's go and choose browse templates here. Now there are going to be templates here that you can choose from. Now, there are going to be a lot, so we have travel templates here. You could also choose the popular designs of also available here. But in this case, since we want to use a travel blog, or we want to create a travel blog here, let's go and choose one of them. Now, just in case if you don't see the correct or right template for you, you could build with AI, but I'm just going to choose one of the templates available here. Let's go and click on it, click on Start Design, but you can change the colors just in case. But let's go and click on Start with Design. Now, again, like the great thing about Squarespace here is everything that you do here, it will be done automatically for you. So setup wise, everything that you need here is going to be available for you in this page. Now, let's go and click on enter the following details. So what are the details that we want to enter here? So maybe I want to say this is going to be my travel site. So add our site title, click on next. And we could go and just start editing our pages. Let's go and click on next and next here and get started. Now at the left panel here, just to give you some idea on how to use it. So at the left side, we have our setup guide. So a setup guide is a great way for you to basically know what you could do next. So in this case, you can connect your payment processors, add payment method, and even add your products here if you have an online store. But since we don't have like an online store for this one, let's just go to website. Now, for a website, this actually gives you the option to edit your website. You could go ahead and go to pages here and view the pages that is available for your website. So whatever website or page you access here, you could go ahead and click on it and it will load the page that you've just clicked, which in this case, you should be able to edit that as well once it's loaded up in here. As you can see right now, it's being loaded. Now, in this case, you could also do a few things here. Like for example, you could go ahead and click on the gear icon. So let's go back here, go to pages. So if you go ahead and click on the home or the gear icon next to the following pages here, you have the option to add or edit your URL slug, your home page title, your page title, navigation, even manage your SEO and navigation, social image, and advanced details for it. So let's go ahead and click on close. Now, also, you could go to styles, which in this case allows you to edit the styles of your website, which generally speaking affects your whole website. Like for example, if you change the theme colors, your fonts, your buttons design here, your forms, so that everything actually looks really the same. So you're not actually out of theme. So that's what we are in this case we are avoiding here. Also, you have assets, which allows you to manage your assets. That includes images, videos if you have those in your account. Now, if you want to manage your products, you can go to products and services. But generally speaking, if you just want to make a travel blog, you don't necessarily need to access these pages here. So let's go ahead and basically skip the other options here. So in this case, since we just want to create a website for traveling, let's go to website again. And from here to top right, what are the things that we could access? So you could actually view your website in different forms. So in this case, you could view it in desktop site or in your mobile site. Now, by the way, the mobile site here is automatically generated, and in this case, automatically designed for you. So depending on what your desktop view actually looks like, so which is something pretty great, since in this case it handles everything for us. But if you want to manage your website, edit it yourself, you could go and click on edit at the top left here on your page, and from then on you could go and click on blocks, click on images here. You can even pin them, you can even align them vertically, edit them if you want. Like for example, you could go and specify the content, the design for it, what the look's going to be, carousel, number of items per box. So depending on what element you selected here, this will actually affect how the website or how the design will look like. Now you could go ahead and click whatever you want here. You can add like change the look for it. You can change or edit the actual design for it, like the text itself, the link for it, design for it. So yeah. So creating a travel blog for your website through Squarespace is pretty easy. But the thing with this one, this is not for free. So you can get like free trial like for 14 days. But after that, you need to purchase a plan in order for you to continue using it. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe, but till then up. Thank you for watching.